Well, we are all feeling stress at home, right? But Lieutenant Governor Kathy Hochul says this is affecting women much more than men. Ashley Rose spoke to one single mother tonight who could not agree more.
All smiles in this picture of Beth Majorowski and her 6-year-old son, Owen. But like so many parents out there, appearances can be deceptive.
I do break down, but I do it in the bathroom, in the shower.
This single mom's day begins at 5 a.m. Because of the coronavirus, she can't get help from her pregnant sister or immunocompromised mother, so she's on her own to keep her son healthy and entertained while balancing a 10-hour workday from home.
And then after dinner, we do homework. And then after homework, we do showers, and then we go right to bed. And then I start my day all over again.
What are some of the fun things that you two have done together?
Watch TV together and take a walk.
Majorowski's story is not lost on Lieutenant Governor Kathy Hochul, who says women are primarily fighting the war against COVID-19.
The stress on these women, it's on steroids right now.
Based on data from a 2016 Boston Globe study, women comprise the overwhelming majority of the industries hit hardest by the pandemic. Think teachers and childcare workers. Nationally, 39% of small business owners are women. Women are 76% of the healthcare workforce, and mothers are the breadwinners in 40% of households across the country.
The first initiative we had to launch was the realization that knowing how many of these individuals on the front line are women and have to have primary responsibility for their kids who are no longer in school.
Hochul says the state has been setting up pop-up childcare centers, but some say not quickly enough. The Empire State Campaign for Childcare is concerned providers are trying to stay open for essential workers, but don't have the funds or supplies to do their job safely.
Anything more that's going to be coming down the pipe?
What I'm going to continue to do, I chair the governor's task force on childcare, and so we have a report that's going to be released at the end of this year, and have been convening people to talk about this way even before this crisis. But I believe there'll be a greater sense of responsibility among the business community to help lift the burden of childcare if they want to have more women in their workforce.
Majorowski feels lucky that she still has a job that lets her work from home. Still, balancing it all while trying to keep her and Owen healthy can create a mental pressure cooker. She watches Governor Cuomo's daily briefings and wants to see him put greater focus on the struggles happening in millions of homes across the state.
He does need to focus on mental health.
The state has set up a dedicated COVID-19 emotional support line. That number is 1-844-863-9314.